Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download or install Zoom app on your device. Here I'm demonstrating this on my Android device. This will be fairly similar with iPhone as well. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, make sure that you have proper internet connection on your device. After that, head to your Google Play Store on your device. And now in here at the top of the screen on the search bar, search for Zoom app. And now in here at the top of the result, you will see Zoom app. Tap on there. Simply tap on install and wait until the app get installed on your device. Once the app is installed, tap on open. And in this way, you can simply install or download Zoom app on your device. If you want to go and join a meeting, simply tap on join a meeting, or else you can also sign up and sign in for the more. And that's all for today. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. We will highly appreciate that. And if you have any questions or comments regarding our video, drop them down, and thank you for watching till the end.